Hello, everybody. So today we're going to read a book called, it's loading, Good Enough to Eat by Kid's Guide to Food and Nutrition by Lizzie Rockwell. And there's some illustrations. Good enough to eat. Babies cry when they're hungry. Dogs bark and howl when you howl. When you feel hungry, your stomach grumbles, your legs feel weak. You don't cry or howl, but sometimes you feel cranky. In the nick of time, your dinner is ready. It looks good, it smells good, it tastes good. As soon as you eat, you feel better. Hunger sends you strong signals. It lets you know that eating is the most important thing you do each day. The food you eat and drink keeps you alive. It builds, protects, and energizes your body. Food makes you able to grow, breathe, think, move, stay cool, stay warm, fight germs, heal, and live. Nutrients are the part of food that your body uses to do its work. There are 6 different kinds of nutrients. You need large amounts of some nutrients and very small amounts of others in your diet. Every food contains at least one nutrient, but healthy foods have lots of them. Your body uses different nutrients in different ways. So here are it looks like there's 5. So I wonder where the 6th one is. Oh, I think this one's the 6th one. Let's see. Carbohydrates supply main sources of energy. Protein supplies energy and builds muscles, skin, and internal organs. Fat supplies energy and adds flavor to foods. Water is the main ingredient in your body. It cleans and cools you. Vitamins and minerals make nutrients work together. Everything your body needs to do is helped by vitamins or minerals. And then this boy says you need about this much of each nutrient a day. So it's hard to see, but this much. Nutrition is the science of food. Science doesn't look as yummy as dinner. A glass of soda has only water and carbohydrates. A glass of milk has water, carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Digestion is the way food is broken down so that nutrients can be absorbed into your body. For healthy digestion, you should eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods supply fiber. Fiber does not get absorbed during digestion. It helps carry bad chemicals and excess fats out of your body. So this is what it happens when you digest food. Mouth grinds food and mixes it with saliva or your spit. The esophagus pushes food down to your stomach. Your stomach churns food and mixes it with acid, turns food into a thick liquid. The small intestines absorb nutrients through its spongy lining. Nutrients enter the bloodstream. And then the big one, the large intestine, absorbs water and leads unused parts of food out of your body when you go to the toilet. As soon as food is digested, nutrients start to work. Carbohydrates, protein, and fat get turned into energy. The amount of energy they supply is measured in calories. You use a lot of energy to run and play. You also use energy to stay warm, pump blood, breathe, think, heal, and grow. Carbohydrates should supply most of the energy your body uses. You can detect carbohydrates in sweet contain carbohydrates. Oh, that doesn't make sense. Let me fix that. You can detect carbohydrates in food just by taste. Foods that taste starchy or sweet contain carbohydrates. So starchy foods give long-lasting energy. Sweet foods give quick boosts of energy. The energy from very sweet foods is used up very quickly. If you ate candy for breakfast, soon you would feel tired and hungry. A breakfast of whole grain cereal would keep you going till lunch. Protein supplies energy. It also builds and repairs your muscles, skin, brain, blood, bones, and internal organs. You get protein when you eat animal foods such as fish, meat, eggs, milk, and cheese. You also get protein from plants, the parts of a plant that can sprout and grow, such as seeds, dried beans, and peas. Nuts and grains are good sources of protein. Just as an old-fashioned lantern burns oil, you burn fat for heat and energy. Fat also helps make food taste good, but it is easy to eat too much fat. Fat has more calories than the other parts of food. If you eat more calories than you need, the unused calories are turned into body fat. Eating too many fatty foods can make you heavy. Fat is in vegetable oil, butter, and cream. You can also see fat in the white and yellow parts of uncooked meat and chicken. Often you cannot see the fat you are eating. To find out where fat is hiding, get a large piece of paper, a pencil, and a samples of food. Rub a bit of each food onto the paper. Label the spots as you go. Let the spots dry overnight. Hold the paper up to the light. Light will glow through the spots made by foods containing fat. You don't need to worry about having too much water in your diet. Water is your body's main ingredient. 70% of your body, including your blood, saliva, tears, urine, and sweat, is made with water. Water escapes easily from your body. In a day, you lose 2 cups of water just by breathing. When you cry, go to the bathroom, and sweat, you lose even more water. But as it leaves your body, water carries out waste and cools you. If there were no water in my body, I could fit in this little bucket. It says, water is needed by all living things. A marathon runner can lose 4 quarts of water in one race. In addition to the water and juice, milk, and food, I should drink at least 5 glasses of plain water each day. Vitamins and minerals are needed in tiny amounts to perform many important jobs in your body. They help all the nutrients in food work together. Vitamins are found only in plants and animals. So, vitamin C helps heal my skin. With the help of vitamin A, I can see well, even in the dark. B vitamins help me fight germs and infection. B vitamins turn protein, fat, and carbohydrates into energy. B vitamins also keep my brain and nerves working well. They help me feel happy. Minerals are tiny particles of rock and metal. The best way to get all vitamins and minerals you need is to eat a variety of fresh foods, including plenty of fruits and vegetables. Calcium helps build and repair my skeleton and teeth. Iron helps build red blood cells, which bring oxygen to my brain, heart, and muscles. Sodium and potassium work together to control my body's water balance. But be careful, it is easy to eat too much sodium. It's important to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. Today, what will you choose? Food keeps you alive, healthy, and strong. It gives you energy and makes you grow. Food is fun to make, and food is fun to eat. Okay, and this is a little bit about calories. Calories measure the amount of energy supplied by food. A teaspoon of fat has twice as many calories as a teaspoon of protein or carbohydrates. Vitamins, minerals, water, and fiber supply no calories. Every day you should eat about as many calories as you use. This is easy if you avoid eating food with lots of fat or sugar and get plenty of exercises. To get 200 calories, you could eat one of these servings. You could eat 12 shrimp, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 parts of butter, 12 ounces of orange juice, 35 pieces of celery, 3 slices of bread, 3/4 of a donut, 1 bowl of cereal with milk, and 1 piece of fudge. So all of these are the same. They have the same amount of calories in them. So if you're only want to eat 200 calories, you could have this, or you could have all of this. To burn 200 calories, you could run for half an hour, walk for 1 hour, or sit perfectly still for 4 hours. And he says, this is getting boring. Okay, and that's the end of that.